Hello, nature lovers. Welcome to a journey that will take us through the heart of our modern-day wilderness. Today we journey into a fascinating world, the urban jungle. A place where concrete and steel replace trees and rivers, yet life finds a way to flourish. Yes, you heard right. As cities grow, concrete buildings reach for the sky, creating a new kind of wilderness. These towering structures form the backbone of our urban landscapes, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. But what happens to the animals when their homes become surrounded by concrete and glass? How do they cope with the noise, the pollution, and the constant human activity? Many creatures have found amazing ways to adapt and thrive in these human-dominated landscapes. From raccoons rummaging through our trash to foxes prowling the streets at night, these animals have become masters of urban survival. They've become city slickers, navigating bustling streets and towering structures with ease. Birds, for instance, have learned to nest in the nooks and crannies of our buildings, while raccoons have become adept at climbing fire escapes. These animals showcase the incredible power of nature to adapt and survive, even in the most unexpected places. Hawks perch on skyscrapers, scanning the city below for prey, while ducks make themselves at home in city fountains. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating adaptations of these urban pioneers. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each has a unique story of survival and adaptation. Let's uncover the secrets of their survival and marvel at their resilience. Join us as we delve into the lives of these remarkable creatures who have turned our concrete jungles into their own thriving habitats. You might be surprised to learn just how many animals call the city home. Urban environments, often seen as concrete jungles, are teeming with life. These animals have shown incredible resilience and adaptability, finding ways to coexist with humans in the most unexpected places. From the tiniest insects to larger mammals, they've all found ways to adapt. Insects, for instance, thrive on city plants, pollinating flowers and contributing to the urban ecosystem. Mammals, on the other hand, have developed unique behaviors to navigate the bustling cityscape. Squirrels leap between balconies, gathering nuts from planters. These agile creatures have become a common sight, their acrobatic feats a testament to their adaptability. They have learned to use human structures to their advantage, creating nests in attics and finding food in the most unlikely places. Birds build nests in the nooks and crannies of buildings, their chirps echoing through the concrete canyons. Pigeons, sparrows, and even hawks have made the city their home. They find shelter in the crevices of skyscrapers and sustenance from the abundance of food left by humans. Raccoons, those masked bandits, have become experts at navigating sewers and raiding trash cans. These nocturnal creatures have adapted to the urban environment, using their intelligence and dexterity to find food and shelter. They are often seen rummaging through garbage bins, a testament to their resourcefulness. And pigeons, once symbols of peace, have become masters of city life, their cooing a familiar soundtrack to urban existence. These birds have adapted to the hustle and bustle of city life, finding food in parks, streets, and even from the hands of generous city dwellers. These creatures, and many others, have not just survived in the city, they've thrived. Their ability to adapt and flourish in such a challenging environment is truly remarkable. Let's find out how these animals have managed to carve out a niche for themselves in the urban jungle, turning the city into a thriving habitat. One of the biggest challenges for any animal is finding enough to eat. But city-dwelling animals have discovered a surprising bounty in the most unexpected places: our trash. Raccoons, with their nimble fingers, have become experts at opening bins and sifting through our leftovers. Pigeons, too, have developed a taste for discarded food scraps. They've even been known to follow behind street vendors, hoping for a stray crumb or two. This ability to adapt their diets has been crucial to their success in the urban environment. High-rise homes and urban nurseries, shelter in the city. Finding a safe place to call home is another challenge for urban animals. In the bustling cityscape where concrete and steel dominate, these creatures must navigate a labyrinth of human-made structures to find suitable shelter. But once again, they've shown remarkable ingenuity. Urban wildlife has adapted in ways that are both surprising and inspiring, demonstrating their resilience and ability to thrive in environments that are constantly changing. Birds, for example, have adapted to nesting on ledges, rooftops, and even in traffic lights. These high perches offer a vantage point and protection from ground-level predators, making them ideal spots for raising their young. Their nests are often made from urban materials like twigs, string, and even plastic. This resourcefulness not only showcases their adaptability, but also highlights the impact of human activity on their natural behaviors. Squirrels, with their acrobatics, find refuge in attics and park trees. These nimble creatures can scale buildings with ease, using their sharp claws and agile bodies to navigate the urban jungle. And bats, those nocturnal wonders, have found shelter in the darkness under bridges and inside abandoned buildings. These locations provide the perfect environment for roosting, away from the hustle and bustle of the city during the day. These urban dwellings may not be traditional, but they provide the safety and security these animals need to survive and raise their young. In a world where natural habitats are shrinking, the ability of these animals to adapt to urban environments is a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. Raccoons, too, have become adept at living in the city. They often make their homes in the nooks and crannies of buildings, and they are known to rummage through trash cans in search of food. Their cleverness and adaptability have made them a common sight in urban areas. Even foxes have been spotted in urban settings, finding shelter in gardens and green spaces. These cunning creatures are able to navigate the city streets with surprising ease, often under the cover of night. The coexistence of humans and wildlife in the city is a delicate balance. While urban environments pose many challenges, they also offer new opportunities for these animals to thrive. By understanding and respecting their needs, we can create a more harmonious relationship with the wildlife that shares our urban spaces. As the sun sets and the city lights come on, the urban landscape transforms. It's a reminder that, even in the heart of the city, nature finds a way to persist. The shelters these animals create are a testament to their resilience and a symbol of the enduring connection between the natural world and the urban environment. City rhythms, adjusting to the urban beat. City life is a symphony of sounds and lights, a far cry from the natural rhythms of the wild. Yet urban animals have adapted to this constant hustle and bustle. Many have become nocturnal, venturing out under the cover of darkness to avoid the daytime crowds. Others have adjusted their activity patterns to coincide with quieter moments in the city, like dawn and dusk. This flexibility in their routines allows them to find food and shelter while minimizing contact with humans. Living side by side, a tale of two species. The story of animals in the city is not just about their adaptation, but also about our coexistence. It's a reminder that we share our planet with a diverse array of creatures. As we continue to build and expand our urban areas, it's important to remember our wild neighbors. By learning about their adaptations and respecting their needs, we can create cities that are not only centers of human ingenuity, but also havens for wildlife. Let's strive to build a future where both humans and animals can thrive in the urban jungle. Keep exploring. So, next time you're walking through your city, take a moment to look around. You might be surprised at the wildlife you spot. Remember, the urban jungle is full of amazing creatures just waiting to be discovered. Happy exploring!